So let me show you how to configure a custom domain for your new app. In the dashboard, click Domains, then Buy Domain. Search for your domain name. If your first choice isn't available, you'll see recommended alternatives. Just pick one you like and add it to the cart. Make sure to check the box for free private registration to keep your personal information private. Then, complete the purchase form with your billing details. Even though the domain is free, they need this for renewal when it expires. After purchase, back in your Base44 dashboard, you'll see the domain is pending DNS propagation. This can take up to 48 hours, but usually happens in just a couple of hours. You can click Check Status to monitor the progress at any time. The SSL certificate may take even longer, so be patient if you see security errors at first. Once everything finally connects, publish your app to see it live on your custom domain. And there we go! Upgraded, custom domain, professional app.